This is how to quickly create a poster on Canva. Start by clicking Create a Design on the Canva home screen. In the search bar, type Poster and select the option to open a blank canvas. This is your starting point for any new design. Once in the editor, navigate to the Templates tab on the left-hand side. Here, you can search for specific design ideas. For this tutorial, let's search for AI marketing poster to find relevant design options. Browse through the available templates and select the black and orange modern AI marketing webinar poster. This will instantly apply the template to your canvas, giving you a professional base to work from. To ensure precise editing, use the zoom slider located at the bottom of your screen. This allows you to get a closer look at specific elements of your design. Now, go to the Uploads tab. Find your desired photo and simply drag it over an existing image within the template. Canva's smart features will automatically replace the old image with your new one. If needed, you can flip the new image horizontally to better suit your composition. Then, use the powerful Background Remover tool to effortlessly remove the background from your image, creating a clean, professional look. Repeat the process for the second image slot in the template. Drag another photo from your uploads directly into position. Apply the Background Remover tool to this second image as well, ensuring a consistent and polished aesthetic across your design. Next, begin editing the text elements to customize your poster. While doing so, search for your organization's logo in your Uploads folder. Drag and drop your logo onto the poster, carefully positioning it at the top to maintain brand visibility. Update the remaining text fields, such as names, titles, dates, and any other event details to accurately reflect your information. To give your poster a fresh and modern look, click on the background and change its color. For this example, we'll select a vibrant teal gradient. Once you are completely satisfied with your design, click the Share button, then select Download, and save your final creation as a PNG file for high-quality output. And there you have it! Your completed AI marketing webinar poster is professionally designed and ready to share across your platforms. Subscribe for more practical Canva tutorials, or sign up for one of our AI and digital literacy trainings to sharpen your design skills. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.